Hi dear students, I am your English ma'am Urmil Joshi from Arjun Progressive School. So students, in our next unit, that is unit number 4, today we will start our new chapter. The name of the chapter is Alice in Wonderland. So Alice is a girl who went to a wonderland. Wonder, you all know, surprise. Wonder means surprise, and the land full of surprise, that is Wonderland. So this is the story of a girl named Alice who reached in a wonderland just following a rabbit, a white rabbit. So here I am starting the story, page number 66. Take out your book and I am reading this chapter and I will explain you. One day Alice was lying under a tree listening to her sister reading a story. Suddenly she saw a white rabbit scamper by. He had pink eyes and was wearing a blue coat. He took out a big watch from his waistcoat pocket, and as he hurried away, he said, "Oh dear, I will be too late." She thought there was something very different about this rabbit. It could talk, it wore a red waistcoat, and it carried a watch. Alice wondered. A talking rabbit, a rabbit who wears a waistcoat. Alice was burning with curiosity and she followed the white rabbit. The rabbit started running and Alice followed the rabbit. The rabbit suddenly popped down a large rabbit hole. Alice jumped into the rabbit hole too. The rabbit went down and down and down and down into the rabbit hole. Alice said aloud, "Where am I? How many miles down have I fallen? I must be getting somewhere near the center of earth." She wondered, "Will I slip through the earth to the other side?" Thump! Alice landed on a pile of dry leaves. She looked around quickly and suddenly saw the white rabbit again. It disappeared, saying, "Oh, my ears and whiskers, how late it's getting." Alice stood up and saw a small door about 15 inches high. It was too small for her to go through. She saw a glass table with a golden key on it. She tried the little golden key in the lock, and to her delight it fitted. Alice opened the door and looked into the loveliest garden she had ever seen. How she longed to be among those beds of bright flowers and those cool fountains, but she could not even get her head through the doorway. "Oh, how I wish I could become smaller," she exclaimed loudly. So this is the story adapted from Alice in Wonderland by Lewis Carroll. So in this story I am explaining you how the girl Alice, named Alice, reached in Wonderland and what happened there with Alice. One day, this is the story of a girl named Alice. So one day Alice was lying under a tree listening to her sister reading a story. So Alice's sister was reading a story under the tree and Alice was listening to her sister. वो अपनी sister की story सुन रही थी. Suddenly, all at once, एकाएक, what happened? She saw a white rabbit scamper by. She saw a white rabbit. The rabbit was white in color and he was passed away and ran away from there. He had pink eyes and was wearing a blue coat. And the rabbit was wearing a blue coat and the eyes of rabbit was pink color. Pink color eyes and blue coat the rabbit was wearing. He took out a big watch from his waistcoat pocket and as he hurried away, he said, "Oh dear, I will be too late." And the rabbit was in hurry. He he took out his watch from his waistcoat. Waistcoat होता है बच्चों basket. You can say basket. From the pocket of his basket, he took the watch out and he was in hurry. वो बहुत जल्दी में था and he was saying that, oh dear, I will be too late now. I'm too late. She thought there was something very different about this red rabbit. Now Alice was thinking that there is something surprising and something different. It could talk, it wore a red waistcoat and it carried a watch. Now Alice was feeling that this rabbit is different. He is wearing waistcoat, he is wearing red waistcoat and watch, and it can walk easily. So something different is in this rabbit. Alice wondered. She was very surprised. A talking rabbit, and the rabbit is talking also. A rabbit who wears a waistcoat. Alice was burning with curiosity. He wants to know. He was eager to know that something is different in this rabbit. इस rabbit में कुछ ना कुछ क्या है, अलग सा है, कुछ ना कुछ different है. She was eager to know about the rabbit, and she followed the white rabbit, and she started following him. She started following the rabbit. The rabbit started running, and Alice followed the rabbit. Now she started following the rabbit. The rabbit suddenly popped down a large rabbit hole. So what happened? The rabbit went down quickly in the big hole, in the rabbit hole. Alice jumped into the rabbit hole too, and she was following the rabbit, and she also went down quickly in the rabbit hole. वो भी उसके अंदर चली गई. The rabbit went down and down and down and down in the rabbit hole, and he reached down. Alice said aloud. She cried loudly, "Where I am? How many miles down have I fallen?" She cried. Where she have reached? I must be getting somewhere near the center of the earth. Now I have reached center of the earth. She wondered, will I slip through the earth to the other side? Now she is very afraid that what will happen now. She will slip through the earth to the other side. Thump. A sound came. Thump. गिरने की आवाज आई. Alice landed on a pile of dry leaves. Now Alice came down on a pile of dry leaves. सूखे पत्तियों का जो ढेर था, pile of dry leaves. She came down, and the sound came thump. She fall down there. She looked around quickly. Now she was looking around very quickly, and suddenly saw the white rabbit again, and she find that the white rabbit was there only. और उसने क्या देखा कि वहीं पर white rabbit भी है. It disappeared, saying, "Oh my ears and whiskers! How late it is getting!" Now what happened? Suddenly the rabbit vanished from there. Disappeared मतलब वहां से गायब हो गया. Not visible. The rabbit was not visible by saying, and the rabbit was saying that I don't have whiskers, mustaches and beard also and ears also. And how late it is getting. I am getting late. Alice stood up and saw a small door. When she get up, she saw a small door there, about 15 inch high. He saw a door 15 inch high. The height of the door was 15 inches. It was too small for her, for Alice to go through. So it was so small to go through. She saw a glass table with a golden key on it. Now she saw a key also on the glass table. उसने कांच की टेबल के ऊपर चाबी को देखा. She tried the little golden key in the lock. Now what happened? She tried and keep the key on the lock, and To her delight it fitted. Now she was very happy because the key fitted to the lock. वो lock में लग गई चाबी. Alice opened the door and looked into the loveliest garden she had ever seen. Now she had reached in a garden. That was the loveliest garden. She entered in the loveliest garden and she had never ever seen that type of garden. How she longed to be among those beds of bright flowers and those cool mountains. And she was surprised to see the flowers, very bright flowers and cool fountains also, springs also. वहाँ पे फव्वारे भी थे और बहुत सारे रंग बिरंगे फूल थे. And Alice was surprised to see that wonderland full of surprise. She could not even get her head through the doorway, but just because of the small size of door, she was very upset because she can't go inside the door and go through the door also. Oh, how I wish I could become smaller, she exclaimed loudly. Now she was very disappointed because she was unable to go through the door. She was big size and the door was very small. So in this story, Alice went to the wonderland following the white rabbit, and the rabbit was something different. The rabbit can talk, rabbit can walk, rabbit can wear waistcoat and pink eyes the rabbit was having. And by following the rabbit, Alice entered in a wonderland, and she was very surprised to see the bright flowers, cool fountains there. But the door of the wonderland was 15 inches high only. बहुत छोटा था, and she was unable to move inside to go through the door. So this was the story of a girl named Alice. So now these are the word meanings. So here the first word is scamper. The spelling is S-C-A-M-P-E-R, scamper. Scamper means run with quick light steps, as the rabbit was scampered by. So run with quick light steps. Next is hurried. Hurried means done in a hurry. जल्दी में किया गया. Hurried. It is past tense of hurry. Hurry का ये past tense है. Popped. Make a light explosive sound. Disappeared means vanish from sight. आंखों से गायब हो जाना. Vanish from sight. Whiskers. Whiskers means mustaches. Fountains. Fountains means spring. Fabbara. Next is delight. Delight means happiness. Alice was very happy as the key fitted into the lock. जैसे ही उसमें लॉक में वो की लग गई, वो बहुत खुश हो गई. Now she can easily open the door to see the wonderland. Curiosity. Curiosity means eagerness. Eagerness, उत्सुकता, जानने की इच्छा. She was eager to know something. Okay, so these were the words and their meanings. Now you have to note down in your notebook, and question answers I will send you in PDF. Now you will do all the word meanings and question answers in your notebook in a very good handwriting, and you will learn all the question answers and word meanings and the summary of the story also. So hope you all have understood this chapter clearly, how the Alice reached in Wonderland by following White Rabbit. Okay, so now you will read the story and you will learn the question answers and word meanings also. So take care till then. Bye bye. We will meet you soon in our next video with a new chapter. Thank you.